Everyone tells you to make money clipping by chasing views. Cut up a podcast, post it everywhere, get paid per 1,000 views. Here's what they don't tell you. That path pays most people almost nothing. The clippers actually making money, they stopped chasing views. They got paid directly instead. So let me show you how. Let's go. Let me start with the truth because it changes everything. Per view clipping pays 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. Sounds fine until you do the math. Most of your clips get a few hundred views. So most clips earn you cents, not dollars, cents. And here's a number that says it all. On Whop, across thousands of clipping products, the top earning one makes about $2,300 a month. The top one. Most people make a tiny fraction of that. And why is that? Because everyone's doing the same thing. Millions of clips, all fighting for the same views. You are one of thousands cutting up the same podcast. It's a lottery, and most tickets lose. So no, I'm not going to tell you to grind harder on a losing game. I'm going to show you the 3 ways the smart clippers actually get paid, where the money is bigger and the competition is way thinner. Let's start with the biggest one. The first one, it's the first shift and it's the big one. Stop getting paid per view, just get paid per sale. This is what Whop is actually built for. A lot of creators on Whop sell something, a course, or a community, a product, and they'll pay you a cut of every sale your clips bring in. That's affiliate clipping, all right? See the difference? Per view, 1,000 views might earn you $1. But per sale, one clip that sends a few buyers to a $200 course at 20%, for example, is real money for way fewer views. You're not chasing millions of views anymore. You're chasing the right viewers, and it flips the whole game. On the view model, a viral clip about nothing pays the same as a useful one. On the affiliate model, well, a smaller clip that hits the exact right person can out-earn a viral one. Quality of viewer beats quantity of views. So how do you do it? Well, you pick a creator whose product you actually believe in. You clip the moments from their content that make people want what they're selling. The story, the result, the transformation. Not just the funny bits, the bits that sell. And then your clip does double duty. It gets views and it drives buyers. And you get paid on the buyers. Now, this is the path most beginners completely miss. They're so focused on view counts, they ignore the model that actually pays more. Don't be them. That's the first way. The next one gets you paid whether your clips pop or not. Second way, and this is the quiet one that changes your life, stop being a random clipper. Become someone's clipper. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Big creators and streamers don't want to gamble on random clips. They hire teams of clippers and pay them directly. One operation pays $50 for every 100,000 views guaranteed per clipper. Another creator ran a campaign that paid out across 500 clippers on his payroll, and that's the move. You go from hoping a campaign pays to being on the team that gets paid. So how do you get there? Well, you build a short track record first. You make a handful of genuinely good clips for a creator you like. You post them, you get a few wins, and then you reach out directly. I made these clips for you. They're pulling views. I love to clip for you regularly. Now you're not begging into a campaign. You're a proven clipper offering a service. This is where retainers come in. Some creators pay a flat monthly rate to keep good clippers around. Steady money every month, whether any single clip goes viral or not. That's the difference between a gambler and a professional. The gambler hopes. The professional gets paid. And here's the beautiful part. Almost nobody does this. Everyone's grinding the public campaigns. The clippers who reach out directly and offer to be on the team face barely any competition. The door is wide open, and most people never even knock on it. Now the third way, and this one's the long game that pays the most. Build a channel you own. Here's a trap in normal clipping. You post a clip on your account, it gets views, you get pennies, and then it's gone. You built nothing. Tomorrow, you start from zero again. Just flip that. Use clipping to build your own following in one niche. Just pick a lane, one creator, one topic, one style. post consistently, your account grows then, and now you own something, an audience. Now, why does that matter? Because an audience is worth real money. Once your channel has a real following, you've got options the pure clipper never gets. You sell the channel, grown accounts sell for real cash. You start posting your own original content and monetize that directly. Or creators come to you because now you've got the reach they want. One honest warning here, if you're only reposting other people's clips, you'll struggle to monetize the channel directly. Copyright gets in the way. So the smart play is to use clipping to grow and then shift toward original content once you've got the audience. Build the asset and then own it. That's the mindset shift. A clip is a lottery ticket. A channel, well, that's a business. Now, before you start, a few honest warnings here, because this space has traps and I won't pretend it doesn't. 1, never pay to clip. Real campaigns pay you. If someone asks for a joining fee or to buy a course before you can access the clips, walk away. That's the oldest trick in the book. 2, read the payout terms before you make a single clip. Know the rate. Know the minimum views to qualify. Know what gets a clip rejected. If you can't find those terms, ask. If they still won't tell you, that's your answer. 3, watch the slow pay creators. Some are known for approving clips late or paying late. Before you commit, check the campaign's approval time and ask around in the community. Real clippers share who pays and who ghosts. Number 4, keep your own records. Track every clip, views, whether it got approved, what you got paid. After a few weeks, the numbers tell you the truth. Some campaigns are worth it, some are wasting your life. The data decides, not the hype. Follow these 4, and you dodge almost every trap in this space. Now I'm going to be straight with you like always. Here's the real takeaway. Chasing views is the crowded, low-paying door everyone runs at. Getting paid directly, affiliate cuts, creator retainers, your own audience. That's the quiet door almost nobody uses. Same skill, cutting clips, completely different money. So that's the real play. Skip the view grind. Get paid per sale. Get on a payroll. Or build a channel of your own. Just make 3 great clips this week for one creator you believe in and then reach out. That's how it starts. Stop chasing views and start getting paid. Now go and do what you like. Wish you good luck and I'll catch you in the next one.